So, by withdrawing your investments, okay, investments ang tawag ko sa time, energy, attention, and money because those are valuable assets. Okay, yung time, energy, attention, and your money can help you build the life you want. So, napakahalaga ng mga bagay na yan. May value yan. Para sa atin, para sa mga lalaki, sobrang valuable ng oras mo, sobrang valuable. Sobrang valuable ng energy mo, sobrang valuable ng attention mo, sobrang valuable ng money mo kasi you can make your life better using those things. So kung sinasayang mo yan sa babaeng hindi ka naman sa babaeng cold sa iyo, then you're missing the chance on improving your own life. You're improving your own self-sustainable world, on building your own kingdom, improving yourself. So if you withdraw your investments, you signal na you put yourself first at kaya mong mag-walk away. Okay? This shows a man having a high self-worth. If pinaprioritize mo, if you put yourself first at kaya mong mag-walk away sa mga interaction na hindi, alam mo yun, na hindi beneficial sa'yo, then you signal that you have a high self-worth. At kapag nagsisignal ka na meron kang high self-worth, this will make women wonder why you don't need her. And she will perceive you as someone who is a higher status than her. In which, mas may increase yung desire niya sa'yo, yung attraction niya sa'yo. Kasi again,